Hello world, my name is Dr. Kundlas, and in this video we will explore how we could use our smartphones to manage tinnitus. Smartphones are pretty much available all the time to us and present with us all the time. There are a lot of small phone apps which can deliver very different kind of sounds via headsets, and there are a lot of apps which could provide us cognitive behavior therapy to manage the symptoms of tinnitus. Because these devices are always with us, they could be the most useful tool in our armamentarium regarding managing tinnitus. You will find a lot of apps which will help us to focus and also go for full-fledged cognitive behavior therapy, and through music apps and other apps which deliver particular frequency of sound can help you manage tinnitus. Use your devices to your advantage. They can help us manage this disabling symptoms. Thank you very much. I hope you liked this video and it was helpful. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Kundlas MD. Follow us on other social media platforms. Thank you very much.